one of the most popular birds in the bird kingdom. 51.
Is it clever adaptation?
Yeah, female cowbird.
Yes, this
You got a cowbird?
Jeez. I've got to wait. Yep.
Oh, cowbird.
Oh, no.
Oh.
8 for the bag.
Yeah, we know it.
Female cowbirds don't develop brood patches because they don't
They don't need it.
They don't need them because they don't brood their own eggs. They drop them in other birds' nests.
You can come if you want, but I know you got one. Yeah. Unfortunately. I'm excited about this zoo, though. I think we're going to get past today.
No BP, no CT. Let's see. Aged on plumage, or female on plumage. Let's see. Body plumage. Primaries. And tips to primaries without a brownish color. Inner primaries or tips to primaries washed brownish.
That's the other thing we're going to go to.
Secondaries. Primaries. Oh no, those all look the same. Yeah. So it's an age 6 on plumage, all basic wing feathers. There's light feather wear. Common yellowfin, just saying.
Yeah, it was witchy, wasn't it?
96 for the 97 for the wing. Yeah, catch that bird. Catch him. What else do you need? There's no flight feather mold. I can't even see in there to see if there's any fat or feathers.
Would they have a bird
just
patch?
draw a line through it. No, they don't ever develop.
Given
No,
the way they do
no,
their
because
young?
they don't brood their eggs.
Interesting.
Okay, let's do the recapture. I'm curious about that one. So that's a 1A recapture. Bird and the bag together weigh 38.
Now, even if you banded it today, we redo the
I
data.
know. Yep.
Because this bird is not a quick bandit.
Yeah, apparently not. Well, we'll see. Maybe it's not one we banded today. Maybe it's one we banded last year. Oh, no, I remember this bird. 6.5. 7 if you want. Let me know when you're ready for the band number. 2, 3, 3, 1, 5, 8.
It's getting, yeah, I brought a t-shirt. That's like all that's
8,
just extra clothes.
1,
Walk around again.
5. 815. Is that the one we call the second year? Got a really ratty tail. Yep. It's a 5 on L. You can copy the information if you want. I remember that tail, like how worn the tail feathers are. They almost make a pattern.
How worn they are?
Yeah, look at the ends. Look at the ends of them. They're juvenile. They're juvenile feathers.
The catbird.
Yeah, no CP, no BP. No fat, no body mold, no flight feather mold. See if I get the same wing measurement twice. Wing is 80, 79 or 80. 80.
Oh,
Oh, gorgeous.